Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Facebook account to business page. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your Facebook application. In Facebook application, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then here tap on profile. Here you can see that my Facebook friends are 1.8k. Then click on these three dots. Here tap on turn on professional mode. Then click on turn on. Then go to back. Here you can see that all my friends have been converted to followers on my Facebook page. You can also follow the same steps to convert your Facebook account to a business page. But before you go, please like, share and subscribe.